got going on? What do you got going on, huh? Hey, you're late. I told you to be in here by midnight. It's 12:30. What have you been doing? What have you been doing? Have you been out in the alleys with the other dogs? I don't like it. I don't like it. I think he's stoned. Have you been smoking that stuff? Have you been snorting White Claws and puffing on Red Bulls or whatever you kids do? I'm very concerned. He's been snorting the Red Bulls and puffing on that White Claw. Have you been smoking Budweisers? He's been smoking Budweisers.